I got melon bar. Looks like PlayStation. And the customer said the HDMI port is broken. As you can see, it looks like not normal. So let's test it. The console is on and I got white light, but they have no signal. Justin, let's fix it for you. As you can see, it's totally damaged. So let's change it. This is a brand new HDMI port. It's available on our shop. Excellent job. Let's return all the part back and let's turn it on. I got white light and welcome back. Let's ship it back to Justin. And if you need any help in the future, please contact me. Thank you for watching.